Hey, this is Darryl Smith and welcome to my weekly marketing tips. Today we're going to talk about why lead magnets are an important part of all online businesses. This is Darryl Smith and today we're going to talk about why lead magnets are an important part of your online business. Now, lead magnet is an important part of all online businesses simply because it generates leads. And I have a link in the description that shows you exactly how to get more done for you lead magnets that revolve around your specific product or service. And so if you check the description, you're going to get a link that's going to show you how you can get more done for you lead magnets for your product, business, or service. The other thing I want you to do is like this video, leave me some comments, and subscribe to my channel. So we're going to talk about first things first. A target market is considered by me to be the number one person who can use your product or service. And if you're doing, for example, credit repair, then your target audience is someone that has bad credit or needs to improve their credit because they need to make a major purchase. If you're a travel agent, then a person who likes to travel is your target audience. If you sell weight loss, your target audience is someone who needs to lose weight for health reasons or who wants to lose weight to feel more attractive. So now you see a pattern, don't you? You see a pattern relating to who your target audience is. Now, a prospect is someone that you have identified that is a part of your target audience. You've identified that person as being a part of your target audience. Now, your prospect becomes a lead when you are able to get that person's contact information. And they only become a lead when you're able to get that contact information and you're able to contact them. Now, contact information could include name, phone number, or address, or email address, or any combination of this type of information. Now, the problem comes in is that you can identify your target audience and see hundreds of people daily who you can identify as a prospect that's part of your target audience. Now, the problem becomes, how are you able to get that contact information? Well, first of all, why is contact information important? And we're going to take all of this step by step. Contact information is important so that you can educate people about your product or service. You can indoctrinate them, is what we call it. Indoctrinate them to the fact that they need your product or service based on their particular needs. Now, if they don't have a need for your product or service, they would not be in your target audience. You can not only educate them to the benefits of your product, you can talk to them and get more specific ideas about what their specific needs are. So that's why it's important that you have that contact information, because you want to drill down to what your target audience, your prospect, your now lead, what is their specific need. For example, if the person likes to travel, where do they want to travel to? Do they have a family that includes just a spouse and they want to go somewhere romantic? Or do they have children and they want to go somewhere that is geared towards families? And so having that contact information not only allows you to educate them about your product or service, travel, but it also allows you to drill down to what specific needs they have with travel. And then you can educate them how you can help them specifically to get to the place that they want to travel to. And you'll be able to tailor your service to their exact needs. But it first comes down to having that contact information so that there's a dialogue and relationship that you are able to build with them. You can update them to any social deals, special deals, or improvements that are going on with your product or service. And most of all, you can add value to their life with the information that you provide, because you're going to, with having that contact information, provide valuable information to them constantly about your product or service. Again, you are educating them about why they need your product or service. And as you talk to them more, you'll be able to build up that know, like, and trust relationship. But first, it comes down to turning a person into a lead. And that's what a lead magnet does. And that's why a lead magnet is important to all online businesses. Now, a lead magnet is a piece of information that a person is willing to exchange their contact information for. They will give you their name, phone number, and email, or like I said, a combination of two of those things. Now, a lead magnet can be a short video, an ebook, a PDF checklist, a series of videos that make up a small course of information. But the significant thing is that the lead magnet is significant because, excuse me, it provides the information that is useful to your target audience. Now, like for example, you can give out a weight loss PDF or ebook on 3 steps and 3 ways that a person can lose 10 pounds in 30 days without exercise. Now, a person gives you their contact information in exchange for that PDF. This tells you one important thing, that this person is actually interested in weight loss. Then you can follow up with more information about weight loss and eventually invite the person to a presentation about more products or services that can assist them with weight loss, or you can have a conversation with them using a telephone or a virtual meeting platform, and you can give them more information and a consultation about your weight loss products. And the more valuable the information that you follow up with to the lead, the more likely they will be willing to take your advice when it comes to what more they need to get the result that they are looking for. It's like one of my mentors used to say, you will become a doctor, and your product and service, when you offer it to them, will be like you writing a prescription, because you've already built up that know, like, and trust relationship, because you've been giving this person valuable information. They've come to rely on you and your credibility. Well, that's my marketing tip. Why lead magnets are an important part of your online business. Again, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me some comments. And again, if you would like some done-for-you lead magnets and a platform that you can use to capture your lead information, then click the link in the description below and get more information about just how you can get access. This is Darryl Smith. Thank you for watching my weekly marketing tip. And again, don't forget to subscribe so you will catch all of my marketing tips so that you can improve your business.